when you get this annuity contract, you have a certain amount of time that you must keep that annuity. Okay, so the insurance company promises to pay you income at a certain time, but in exchange, you have to promise to leave your money there a certain amount of time. And if you don't, if you pulled out the funds, you would get a penalty. So they call this a surrender period. So you have an amount of time or a surrender period that you have to keep this annuity before you would have no fees to pull out your money. So sometimes the surrender period is 2 years, sometimes it's 10 years, sometimes it's 20 years. So this is a very important concept, a very important question that you have to ask yourself to avoid sometimes tens of thousands of dollars if you pull out your money before the surrender period is over. The fees that they charge you are called surrender charges. So when you call and ask if you own an annuity and you call and say, what is my surrender period and what are my surrender charges? We'll put up a slide that shows an example of a surrender schedule. So it shows the percentage every year, the charge that you would have. Sometimes it's as high as 10% to pull out your own money just because you're pulling it out before the end of the period. So again, very important that you understand the difference when it comes to like a maturity date on a CD is not the same as a surrender period with surrender charges.